Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm putting my seatbelt on.
Where are we going? Where are you?
To the blackberry land.
Blackberry land.
Yeah, where there's too many blackberries.
Awesome. Oh, let me get in here as well. So, we're going to go and pick some blackberries today, and hopefully some elderflowers, and then we're going to make some children's wine, but also some wine for me. Should we go?
Yeah.
So we just found a cave down there somewhere, so now we're going to go try and explore it. Right, follow me back. We saw a sign that said to go down this path, so that's where we're heading.
No, I'm scared.
So I think we're on Baslow Edge in Derbyshire, but we've come to the bottom of the edge to walk along it, and Amika's in charge as usual, leading the way, mostly by her bum, because she keeps falling on her bum. And Amika has gone miles ahead. Just make her out in the distance there. I'm gonna run to catch her up. So that wall there is the limit of the villages. So what that means is if you want to go camping, you have to camp on this side of the wall. Not
Side?
Yeah, this side that we're on. So if we ever want to go camping, that's the rules.
Are we going to camping?
Maybe.
Yeah.
If you want to, not today.
Oh. We're going camping now. We're going to come back to.
That's right.
Or after our blackberry hunt, shall we go on the bear hunt?
We can, but
Not today.
we won't find many bears in this country.
Which country then?
We'd have to go to a different country. There isn't bears in this country. The bears were gone a long time ago. If there was bears here. I don't know if there was.
I think there would be.
Probably. I think years ago there was probably bears, wild pigs everywhere, wolves, even dinosaurs many years ago.
Dinosaurs?
Yeah.
What? Wow,
They're bouldering. Careful, stay where you are.
wow.
Look up.
Wow. This is some private. I see some animals. The black and white one, look. Oh, the cow.